Hi, welcome to the market alert for Thursday, the 5th of March 2015. And starting off with a 5-minute chart, you can see that the pre-market session there fairly quiet, and then the market opened. We see prices selling off rather sharply there, down 100 points between the psychological level here at 18,150 down to 18,050. The market then finding some support, and then you see the market being tested here. The market then coming back above the 18,050 level all the way back to 18,100, and again being retested at this level before the market then trades halfway up to the 18,000 and around 18,135 level. Then we get a sell signal later on in the session. We see the market moving lower, and this is what we've been waiting for the last few weeks. The markets to have a modest amount of momentum and volatility following the signal. You see there the market trading all the way down around 37 points maximum available on this. Certainly the 20 point plus from the scalp there. And then at 10 past 8 we see a potential buy signal, and this one trading all the way up until around 9 o'clock, giving a maximum of 12 points. I sat watching this through this bit, waiting for the market to see if it would go up, but the maximum I could get out of this trade was 12 points before the market actually closed. You'll see I've changed the shaded area on this as well, and the so the maximum on this trade around 9 o'clock was 12 points profit. So a far better day, and a welcome to see that the markets are getting back to some sort of normal pattern and trading there. In the daily charts, you can see yesterday the market down, but coming off the lows, and this price bar is indicative of the market turning around and moving back to the upside, so just keep that in mind as well. Generally this is there's buying contained within the low of the bar, because you can see there very high volume for yesterday, but as prices came off the low before the end of the session, it would indicate that there was some buying around in the market. And on the overnight you can see the market's open, traded slightly lower, but is now heading back towards the upside. On the news front, we've got factory orders out at 3 p.m. and FOMC Williams is going to speak as well. Now this is a medium impact news item. I don't know how it's going to affect the market, but if you have any reservation you may want to stand aside, even though, as I say, it's a medium impact news item. But the fact that somebody from the Fed, and this seems to be a regular thing now, it never used to be in the past, that's a fact, but it's probably because they've got so much debt on the books now that they're trying to keep the market up in the high, so they tend to wheel these people out to speak on a frequent basis now. So that's it for the news. Just just keep an eye on that one at 3 p.m. We've got the factory orders, which I wouldn't be too concerned about, but Williams speaking. So again, if you have any reservation, just stand aside when he speaks. He shouldn't have too much of an impact. If it was Yellen, I would say definitely stand aside. And in the implied volatility, we've got 1206 for yesterday, up slightly. And you can see this in the price chart as well. 11.19 day before, 12.06 for yesterday, so up nearly 1% there. And again, that's reflected in the chart. We need to see this pullback before any correction, otherwise the market remains long as far as the short term is concerned. Right, that's it for me for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.